Let me think. A boy. So, I want a son that will inherit my name, legacy, and everything I have worked hard for. And I think he will be able to handle everything better if he's a boy. You know what I mean?
Naku ma'am, bawal pa po kayong gumalaw. Baka bumuka pa yung tahi ninyo. Where's my baby? Can I see her? Nasa nursery room pa po siya. Ay! Diyos ko, Carmen! Huminga ka muna! Let me see my daughter. I need to see her now before my in-laws arrive. Please, manang yung anak ko. Oo, huwag ka mag-alala. Makikita mo ang anak mo. Nurse, dali mo na nga yung anak na dito para kumalma siya. Hindi po pwede. Magpapagalitan po ako. Sige na, nurse. Dala mo na dito. Yan ko po. Ano ba sa gagawin mo? Carmel naman! Isang malaking kasalanan to. Pag-isipan mo ang mabuti. I've done this for a very long time, Manang, and I know Mikael won't be happy if he finds out that I gave birth to a girl. He made it clear from the very start that he wanted a son. I love him, Manang, and I don't want him to leave me just because I couldn't give him what he wanted. Here's your baby, Mom. Isabel, you're so beautiful. I love you, but I also love your daddy, so please understand why I have to do this. Meron bang lalaking na ipanganak na? Yes, Mom. Almost the same time as you. Give me the details. I want to talk to the child parents. I can't disclose that information, Mom. It's against hospital policies. I am a Villarreal. We also have shared in this hospital. But Mom, you shouldn't be moving yet. Aalalayan ko na lang siya. Malayo ba? It's the last room at the end of the hallway, Mom. Can I have the baby now? Nalaman ko na may sakit ang anak ninyo at kapag hindi pa siya naipagamot ng 1 taon ay baka hindi pa siya umabot ng 1 taon. Ako na ang magbabayad ng bills ninyo. I will shoulder everything. I just have one favor to ask. Alagaan nyo sana ang anak ko kapalit ng pag-aalaga ko rin sa anak ninyo.
Anong karapatan mong pagpalitin ang anak natin ng parang isang mumurahing bagay lang?
Honey, and I'm here to help you. Do you really want your baby to die? I will take care everything, even the documents and the things that needed to be arranged. Other too, and I understand that you don't want to be separated from your child. This is for their own good. Ano kayang mararamdaman mo kapag ang sarili mong asawa hindi tanggap ang anak mo?
And your daughter, you let her live a difficult life with us, even though that's not the life she was meant to have.
Bigay ako ng pera 4 na beses sa 1 taon.
Asan mo gina ko? Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry, my dear. Nalita ko sa... The business was so long and I thought it was the running. So, how's my son?
He's really didn't want to do it. Ano yung pangalan mo sa kanya?
Marcus.
His name is Marcos.
Marcus, anak. You will soon inherit everything that I have worked for. And I think he looks just like me, don't you think?
Oo nga, no?
Gising na, darling, 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 kapit na.
ang idadala namin sa karinderya mo.
Okay po.
Oh, kain na.
Sir Marcos, gising na. Handa na ang almusal.
Manang maaga pa naman po eh.
Sir, baka mali ka. Pinapatawag ka na ng mama at papa mo.
Po, makin po.
Halika na ako po rito. How's your school?
Okay naman po. Aral lang.
Yes, hello? Just prepare the conference room for the meeting later on, okay? Yes, noted. Let's go na, love. We need to prepare for the meeting na, okay?
Yes, let's go, love. Mas magpatid ka na lang sa driver mo. Just finish your breakfast, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Bye po. Take care.
Is na kami, son.
Hi, girl! Hi! Wait, wala ba si Jamie here? Wala pa eh. I also have them doing. Hi, girls! I'm sorry for being matagal. Sa cafe ni Dad na kasi ako nag-breakfast eh. Okay, let's go? Let's go.
I'm tired. Please don't go, guys.
I have something to do, girl.
Go, let's go to the cafeteria.
Bro, I have something to do.
Manang, one
One bottle water, please.
Sorry naman, sir. Isa na lang po ito. Ako kaya ang nauna.
It's all yours.
Thank you, Manang. Wait, so handsome. Allah! Water, liquid. Ganda. Nothing, Jamie. Let's go.
Good afternoon, class. You need to find a model to fit to your design.
Hey, girls. I have an idea. I don't have a problem because I have a boyfriend. Hello, what's mommy I have a project kasi. Can you please help me?
Time.
I promise it will take a long time. Please.
What is it?
I just need a model to fit my design. Marcos, please, just this.
No.
Please, I will just need you for this project.
Whatever you say, I don't want to.
My designs are perfect to fit to you.
One condition. Follow all my commands.
Thank you. Ay, sayo ko na. Ang init. Tao po. Ikaw pala yung Isabel. Opo, manang. Wala po kasi si nanay.
O siya, pumasok ka, Iha. O siya, sige, hugasan mo na ang mga plato.
Sige po.
Paano po na clothes?
Nasa ibabaw ng kama mo, sir.
Wow, look who's here.
Is there any problem?
Prepare my food.
Okay, senyorito.
Where's my food? It's already 9.
Wait lang, sir. I'll just prepare your drinks.
Pastor Yaya.
Go clean my room.
I have something to do later, sir.
Remember, we have a contract.
Okay, fine. Marcos? Good morning po.
Are you Daddy's daughter, right?
Yes po, ma'am.
It's very early. You already look tired.
Hindi naman po.
Other case.
Go upstairs. I have something to do, okay?
Let's go to my room and clean it.
Okay, sir. Wow, he's good at making an article pala and taking a photos. Nice.
Are you looking at my articles? Parang na-miss ko ba, ha?
No, I won't do that. Daming utos.
May sinasabi ka ba?
Wala, sir.
Yeah, love.
Okay na to.
After cooking, eat your lunch and you can go home.
Okay po, ma'am.
You're eating already?
I told her to eat and go home after.
Okay lang.
Sir Marcos, I will go home na. Ma'am Carmen, una na po ako.
Okay, Isabel, take care.
Sabit!
Yes? You miss me already, ah?
Swimming ka, nakalimutan mo yung bag mo eh.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Wash my clothes and give it exactly to me at 3 p.m.
Okay, daming utos tapos bibigay ka na exactly 3 p.m.
Did you say anything?
No, sir. Breathe in, breathe out. You can do this, Isay. Ikaw pa ba?
Buti na lang natapos ka on time.
Are you okay, Isabel?
Yes, ma'am. Andito na po pala kayo. May pag-uutos po ba kayo?
Mana is there anyway. She can help you if you want to.
No need, ma'am. I can do this. Si Isay kaya to. Maganda na. Masipag pa.
Okay, I leave it to you. Just let me know if you need anything. Or you can call Manang in the kitchen if you need help.
Okay. Sige po. Pasok na nga to. Alang, bigat. Manang! Manang, where are you? I need help! Manang! Ano naman ni Manang?
Sige, papunta na.
Tagal mo Manang, let's go. Nag-antay na si Sir Marcus.
Okay, so good afternoon. I would like to hear the annual month report ng company. So, first of all, magkano ang sale natin ngayon?
For the same percentage growth, tumaas ng 15% ang mga units sold in the past month. This is the result of your good doing.
So, tumaas yung natin, yung sale natin. So, mas mataas yung pila natin. And that's the next thing I would like to know. How, yung saan kita ng company?
Kita ng company boss, for the first month of the year, mas mataas ang 25% ang income. Maganda kasi ang sale strategy natin.
So, since mas matumaas yung natin ng 25%, ngayon, since ubus naman na siguro yung stock natin. So, how much pa ang pupunta na stock this month?
Ano naman sa coming weeks, this month boss, mas tumaas ng 170 units ang stocks natin.
Okay, so, good. Yes. I would like to address naman sa
Hey,
kapit.
Dad.
Ay na. Go ahead, Victor. The parts, wala din mo. Well, this is an unexpected surprise now. So, let me introduce you all to my son. His name is Marcos Buganayan, and he will be the next CEO of this company.
Iba dapat
Buganayan, introduce yourself.
I'm Marcos and I'm looking forward to work with you.
Wow, I hope you're good at handling our company like your father.
Bakit hindi yung birth certificate ni Isabel?
Carmel, can you please tell me what's going on?
What do you mean? Ako babalik saan? Mikael, hindi ito kung anong iniisip mo. I swear, wala talaga akong ibang lalaki.
Someone said that they saw you with another man. Who is he?
This is really all about business. I promise you. Ikaw lang ang mahal ko.
Seriously? Business lang? Are you having an affair?
No! Please, Mikael! Please believe me! Si Marcos talaga ang anak mo! Maliwanag. Mikael! Please, I swear! Right. Si Marcos ay hindi mo tunay na anak. Hindi ko na tayo sa'yo. Naglala.
Oh, bakit ka na pa rito, Carmel? Nandito si Isabel, baka makita ka niya.
Dani, I need everything. At kailangan din malaman ito ni Isabel. At di ko na, this is the right time. At di ko kaya, this is the right time. At hindi ko na kayang itamo pa. At kailangan ko rin sabihin kay Isabel, this is the right time.
Ha? Ano ito mga narinig ko? Anong alam na ni Daddy ang totoo? Ano bang mga limang hindi niya sinasabi sa akin, Ma, Tita?
Isabel, may isang bagay akong tinatago sa'yo.
Kailangan pa ba natin sasabihin agad sa kanya to?
Oo, sabihin na natin sa kanya.
So it's true. Anak mayaman nga talaga ako. But why?
You are my daughter. Ang sakit sa puso ko sabihin sa'yo to, pero kailangan mong malaman ang buong katotohanan.
Sana mapatawad mo kami, anak.
Bakit mas pinili mo yung gusto ni Daddy kaysa ako na anak mo? Bakit hindi mo man lang ako niligtas sa lahat ng ito?
Isabel, sana maintindihan mo.
Isabel, it's not that simple. Mahal ko ang daddy mo at mahal kita. Gusto kong protektahan kita. Sa mga panahon na yun, iniisip ko lang ang iyong kapakanan.
No. Why did you do this to me? All of this is a lie. Pinagmukha niyo akong tanga. Paano ko na kayo niyan pagkakatiwalaan? Ayoko na! Pagod na ako!
Isay, wag mong gawin yan! Isay, wag mong gawin yan! Alalahanin mo yung mga nagmamahal sa'yo!
Isay, kung may problema ka man, you can rant on us. Hindi yung ganyan yung gagawin mo.
Thank you, Perla, kasi lagi kang nandyan para sa akin.
Marcus, please don't go. We can still fix this.
I'll find myself, Dad. I need to find who I really am.
Okay, Marcus. Just remember that we're always here for you. We love you no matter what, okay?
Thank you, Dad.
Armel, teka lang!
Mikael, I think it's best if we part ways for now. Hindi ko na kaya makasakit ng iba. Ang hirap ng sitwasyon, ayaw ko nang dagdagan ang pasakit pa.
Carmel, I understand. This is for the better. Dapat tayong maghiwalay muna. We need to heal.
Salamat, Mikael. Sana mahanap na natin ang kapayapaan na narapat sa atin at para sa mga bata. Because I know it's hard to understand what I did, pero gusto kong bumawi sa inyo.
Mom, I get it now. It's hard to forgive, but I want to help.
Thank you, Marcos. I need all the help I can get. Sana mo tulungan mo rin akong ipakita kay Isabel ang pagmamahal ko sa kanya.
You can do this, Mom. Let's make things right, one step at a time.
Isabel, can you talk? I'm sorry for what I did. I made mistakes. But this time, I'm really sorry for everything. I made mistakes. Sana hayaan mo mama bumawi sa'yo.
I'm in hurt and I need a long time to process all of this. Pero kung yun ka talagang bumawi sa akin, do it. Kailangan ko munang pag-isipan at i-process ang lahat.
Isabel, I promise I will do everything for you to prove that I love you. Hindi ko kaya mawala ka at handa kong ipakita ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo, anak.
ikaw na. Saya-saya kaya dito.
Ako naman, dear. Okay, I dare you naman sa pagsalita. Go.
Ang daming nangyari, no? Tamang-tama nga ako sa mga batang yan, eh. Nakayanan nila lahat ng pagtulog.
Kung naroon ako sa mga hindi, kahit paano nakatawad pa rin na tayo.
Pati nga si Marcos, nakapag-adjust na rin. Sana wala nang magulang na kagaya natin, no?
Oo nga eh, kawawa yung mga bata. Sana sa kanila ang buhay, hindi tayo lang. Yeah, sure, let's go.
Bahala ka dyan. Ito na mga pictures.
Ano yung mga pictures?
Amang sa'yo. Ito, intentionally, pero yung iba rin dito. Kasi sana magustuhan mo.
Ang ganda. Ito dito and by the way, I have something to give you too. Here, take this. Yan yung mga designs ko na papasuot ko sa'yo.
Hindi ah.
Walang ano man. So, there, picturean mo ako yung nakatalikod ah.
Manding no?
Okay na yun.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi mo gusto si Jamie?
Hindi nga, effective ko nga yun eh.
Sayang, bagay pa naman kayo eh.